Hey guys, today we're looking into the Novelah app, an app that claims you can earn money just by reading stories. Sounds fun, right? But is it legit or just another way to waste your time? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Novelah lets users earn coins by reading novels, completing daily tasks, and inviting friends. The idea is that these coins can be converted into real rewards like cash or gift cards. But here's the catch. Getting to the payout threshold seems harder than it looks. Many users online claim that the app makes it really difficult to cash out. Some say they reach out the minimum but never received any money. Others mention that the app keeps increasing the payout requirements the closer you get. As of now, there are no Trustpilot reviews or ratings for Novelah, so it didn't have solid third-party feedback to go on. Novelah might not be an outright scam, but it's likely not worth your time if you're in it for real earnings. The rewards seem almost impossible to redeem, and most users end up quitting before getting anything. Proceed with caution. Try Novelah yourself. Let us know what happened in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more honest reviews.